Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to talk about a true giant. An animal so massive it makes you question everything you thought you knew about the limits of life on Earth. That's right, we're talking about the blue whale, the largest mammal and, in fact, the largest animal ever known to have lived on our planet. Forget what you've seen in movies about dinosaurs. The blue whale holds the title, and it's not even close. So get ready, because we're about to explore 10 incredible facts about this magnificent creature that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's start with the basics, their sheer size. When we say blue whales are big, it's hard to even picture it. An adult blue whale can grow up to a staggering 100 feet long. To put that into perspective, imagine lining up 3 full-sized school buses end to end. That's the length of a single blue whale. If one were to surface next to a basketball court, it would stretch from one hoop almost all the way to the other. They are truly colossal, dwarfing every other creature in the sea and on land. It's this immense scale that makes them one of the most awe-inspiring animals you could ever hope to see. Now, let's talk about their weight. If their length didn't already impress you, their weight certainly will. A fully grown blue whale can tip the scales at up to 200 tons. What does 200 tons even look like? Well, picture about 30 large African elephants all standing on a giant scale together. That's the equivalent weight of just one blue whale. This incredible mass isn't just fat, it's powerful muscle, dense bone, and massive organs, all working together to power this oceanic titan through the water. This makes them not only the longest, but also the heaviest animal on the planet. Speaking of massive organs, let's zoom in on the blue whale's heart. It's an engine unlike any other in the animal kingdom. The heart of a blue whale can weigh over 400 pounds, which is about the same as a large gorilla. In terms of size, it's roughly comparable to a small car, like a Volkswagen Beetle or a Mini Cooper. This powerful pump is so large that a small child could comfortably crawl through its major arteries. It beats only a few times per minute when the whale is deep underwater, conserving energy, but it's strong enough to circulate thousands of gallons of blood throughout its enormous body. It's a true marvel of biological engineering. So, with a body this huge, you might be wondering what a blue whale eats. Surely it must hunt giant squid or other large fish, right? Well, here's where things get really interesting. Despite their massive size, blue whales have a diet that consists almost exclusively of one of the smallest animals in the ocean. Krill. These are tiny, shrimp-like crustaceans, each only a couple of centimeters long. During their peak feeding season, a single blue whale can consume an astonishing 4 tons of krill every single day. That's like eating the weight of a pickup truck in tiny shrimp, day in and day out. How do they manage to eat so much tiny food? This brings us to our next fact. Blue whales don't have teeth. Instead, they are baleen whales. They have hundreds of overlapping plates of baleen hanging from their upper jaw, which look like giant, bristly curtains. To feed, a blue whale takes a massive gulp of water and krill, sometimes engulfing a volume of water larger than its own body. Then, it uses its enormous tongue to push the water out through the baleen plates. The water escapes, but the krill gets trapped inside, ready to be swallowed. It's an incredibly efficient filter feeding system that allows them to sustain their immense size on such small prey. And about that tongue, it's another record breaker. A blue whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as an adult elephant. Think about that for a second. An entire elephant, one of the largest land animals on Earth, fits into the mouth of a blue whale, just as its tongue. This powerful muscle is crucial for their feeding process, helping to expel the huge volumes of water they take in with each gulp. When a blue whale opens its mouth to feed, its throat pouch expands dramatically, and it's the strength of the tongue that helps force all that water back out, leaving behind a protein-packed meal of krill. Blue whales aren't just big, they're also incredibly loud. In fact, they are among the loudest animals on the planet. Their vocalizations are low-frequency pulses and moans that are so powerful they can be heard by other blue whales hundreds, and sometimes even over 1,000 miles away across the ocean. These calls are louder than a jet engine and are thought to be used for communication and navigation in the vast, dark depths of the sea. For us humans, the frequency is often too low to hear it, but if we could, the ocean would sound like a place filled with the deep, rumbling songs of these gentle giants. So, where can you find these incredible animals? Blue whales have a truly global distribution. They are found in all the world's oceans, from the cold waters of the subpolar regions to the warmer waters of the tropics. The only ocean they seem to avoid is the Arctic, likely due to the dense sea ice. They undertake long seasonal migrations, traveling from their feeding grounds in colder waters to their breeding grounds in warmer tropical waters. This widespread presence means they are a vital part of marine ecosystems all around the globe, connecting different oceanic regions through their epic journeys. Finally, and most importantly, we have to talk about their conservation status. Sadly, these magnificent creatures are endangered. During the 20th century, they were hunted to the brink of extinction by commercial whaling. Their massive size made them a prime target, and their populations plummeted by over 90%. Although commercial whaling is now banned, blue whales still face significant threats. These include ship strikes, where they collide with large vessels, and entanglement in fishing gear. Furthermore, climate change is impacting their food source, the krill, and the increasing noise pollution in the ocean can interfere with their ability to communicate. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect these giants. From creating marine protected areas to developing technologies that help ships avoid them. Protecting the blue whale means protecting the health of our entire ocean. And there you have it, 10 facts about the biggest animal that has ever graced our planet. From their bus-sized bodies and elephant-sized tongues to their incredibly loud songs that echo across oceans, the blue whale is a creature of superlatives. Their story is a powerful reminder of both the wonders of the natural world and our responsibility to protect it. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content about our amazing planet, and share this video with someone who needs a little dose of OD today. Let me know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.